Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations, and today we're doing something nobody else has done on YouTube. I didn't even think that was possible, but here we are. Whew. Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Sorry it's been a while, but let me grab this. Today, I know I said something, but nobody has made these pencils on YouTube. Kind of clickbaity or whatever you want to call it. But we're making golf mechanical pencils that fit like on most golf carts or in like a bag, you know, bag carrier. So the other thing we're going to be doing different is I've already, you can tell, glued and drilled and put all the tubes in. All I gotta do is drill them out flush, and then we're gonna turn them, and at the end of this I want you guys in the comments down below to tell me which one you like the most, because there is a brushed satin, there's a chrome, there's a gold, 24 karat gold, and then there's a gunmetal one. So I'm gonna try to match up these blanks with the color so it does look the best, but I want your input to let me know which one you guys like the most. So if this is a success, I'll be doing this quite frequently. I have roughly 4 or 5 other kits that have multiple colors in the kits, so I would like to actually make them all out of like one color or whatever, but I wanted to try it this way to see if maybe we like different colors and try to match them up with the colors, or if we just want to go with like a maple, walnut, or even an acrylic, all the same. But that is something I would like you guys to do. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like what we are doing. And if you like this, leave a comment down below so I know you guys did enjoy it. Anyway, let me go ahead and finish this up, and then when I catch back up with you guys, we're going to have them on the lathe. It's sitting right here. I'll have them on the lathe, and we will turn them all in our normal fashion really quick and everything like that. So yeah, good to see you guys again. Alright guys, so since these are a pencil that goes onto a golf cart, we have to kind of make them really thin and uniform all the way across. Sorry for kicking you. But so we're going to get them and run them just flat right across from bushing to bushing. So that's the only thing different, because you know I like to have a little bit of a profile, but to make sure that they do fit on the golf cart, we need to make them straight across. So that's the only thing different you guys will notice. So turquoise is gonna be the first one. Alright guys, so this is what we got. You see there's not a lot of meat on these guys. And we had a blowout. So gunmetal, you're out. Sorry, I think gunmetal's kind of like the worst of the four. But we do have 3 left over. So the turquoise I could get really thin, the white one, but this one just felt a lot like the orangish one that we had, that orangish yellowish one. So it's got a little bit of a bulge to it because it was starting to feel the same. So anyway, let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and polish these up, kit them up, and then we'll be able to get your guys' opinion on which kit you guys like the most. All right. Alright guys, they all 3 of them turned out absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful. So what we're gonna do is satin chrome for the lollipop. We're going chrome with the turquoise and gold for the red, and they call it navy, but man, it's a really dark navy. Anyway, so it's actually really pretty red though. I really do like that one. So I'm gonna put one together on camera, and then I'm gonna put the rest of them together after, so you guys don't have to sit here and watch the whole thing. But they're pretty straightforward, easy. I do have to say, this kit, I would say, is not a good kit for a beginner. This is probably more of an advanced kit for how thin you have to get the material around for the use your words, Emmett. So yeah, it's just it's a pretty difficult turn. I'm gonna have to move you guys just a little bit. There we go. So got the instructions over there. I probably should make sure this is the correct way. Yep. T does go into the big end. Still need to find a new one of these. But the other cool thing about this kit is something I'm not doing today, but if you want, you can actually use a T of your own. So if you don't like this one, you can actually use a tee that from like a hole-in-one or from your first birdie or par or whatever. You can do that, which is pretty cool, I think. Again, make sure we put this in the correct way. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Kind of like both ends. Yeah, we'll go with this end. But this part of the kit's really easy. You just gotta get it, and once you get this piece in, that's it. You are done with the press. So get that nice and flush. Make sure. There we go. Seems nice and flush. Then you take this little guy. But anyway, if there's a kit you guys would like to see, multiples made out of the same, come on, why would you put it in this stupid cellophane type packaging? Anyway, if there's a kit that you guys would like to be seen, all in the same wood or acrylic, let me know. I would like to do that. So let me know if there's a kit that you absolutely love. Like me, I absolutely love the new Everyday Carries and the Anvil, which I think are spectacular kits, especially the stainless steel ones. So this just screws in to our little bushing we pushed in. This goes into the back side, inside here, and then there you go, your nice little sharp point. Now you can pull this off, and this is actually a sharpener too, so you can keep this nice sharp point on here. So let me get these other ones together, and then we'll put them side by side, and then you guys can put which ones you like or which one you think you like the best in the comments, so I know what you guys are liking. So then if you guys all vote for satin, maybe I'll make more satin stuff on the channel. Or if you guys like gold, you guys notice I don't make a lot of gold on this channel. So that's something, you know, if you guys want to see some more gold pins, or, you know, just lets me know what you guys like and don't like. And see, look, this one wasn't all taped up like that other one. And the lead isn't coming out of it like the other one. This was a better kit. Doesn't want to come out, but wasn't all jacked up like that other one. But anyway, guys, all right, I'll turn this off, quit yammering in your guys' ear, and I will see you guys here in a second. All right, guys, so these were the three that survived. Did have a blowout. Like I was saying, probably not a kit for a beginner, but still, these things turned out really beautiful.
Real nice. So we got the gold with the navy and red. I'll just show you guys this. This is the it has a little sharpener on the end of it that you can actually sharpen these. So you pull it out like that. But supposedly you knock the lead out about yay far. Put it in there. And it supposedly gets it sharp. I don't know how sharp, but that's pretty good actually. Well, it gets it pretty sharp. Do waste a lot of lead, but gets it nice and sharp. But anyway. So, comment if you like the red navy with the gold, the turquoise with the chrome, which I think is actually pretty cool looking. Very pretty pencil, sorry. And then one of my favorites is a lollipop. I love these blanks. They just always turn out so beautiful with the satin nickel finish. So let me know in the comments which ones you like. You can even put them in order, but there you go. These are really cool. They make really good little gifts. So again, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't done that. And I will see you guys next time.